Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, my first idea, I will share you beautiful denim crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Denim flower cuts or denim into patterned shapes, roll and stitch them to make a flowers. Use it for decoration or accessories. You can also attach it to clip or bags. Or small round or square pieces, layer them and stitch the edges. Now your strong and stylish coaster are ready. And friends, my next idea is reversed. Friends, and reverse. So friends, next idea is reverse. Denim keychain, cut small shapes like heart, star filled with cotton or stitch, attach a keyring. It is simple and cute. And reverse. Next idea is friends, cute denim photo frame. So friends, use soft denim fabric, stitching in full size, add a button or flap. This will catch your phone and will look trendy. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, friends. So viewers, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.